Hey Cam, good morning.
Good morning, Alex.
Yeah, real exciting news from the Toronto Real Estate Board. Prices up 13.3%, volume up 24%. Gosh, we are in exciting times. Not only do we have a cure for COVID, but the real estate market is really booming. What do you think is causing it?
Yeah, thanks, Alex. They're certainly uncharacteristically strong for November. As you say, sales up 24%, right? So a huge increase. I think there's really a couple things driving it. First off, interest rates are at a historical low level. They're actually dropped even further, right? So
Gosh,
I think we heard 1.5%, right, Alex, for a
yeah,
5-year
last
fix?
month we were talking about 1.6% being
Yeah.
low, and now they're down again.
Yeah, yeah. So that's just unheard of rates, right? So a great time to finance a property. And then secondly, of course, I think we've really got, an economy, two parts to the economy, right? We've got people with more money in their pockets that they've saved over this period of time than before and not using it to travel and some other things. So they've also got
Right.
the appetite to buy as well. So you got both things going on.
Right. And I think also we are getting a lot of foreign buyers coming in with the government being concerned about foreign buyers. They're contemplating a foreign buyers tax. So
Yeah.
I think before that happens, a lot of foreign buyers are trying to get into the market.
Yeah, I think so. An increase in the existing tax, yes, exactly. That would cause them. I think you're absolutely. There's people outside the country looking to buy and looking to buy sooner rather
Right.
than later.
Right. And we know that the government has committed to allow 400,000 immigrants next year and 400,000 the year after. So I would bet you those with money are coming in ahead of time to start purchasing property. And so that has really created a listing shortage. We only have 1.57 months of supply, which is very low.
Yeah.
Um, what I've seen though is that there is a hot opportunity, which you and I have been talking about for months, which is the downtown condo market, the 416 condo market. What are you seeing the trend there?
Yeah, absolutely, Alex. So if you do have a sort of hot buy, a recommendation for people, the best thing to do is to often do what opposite of what the majority is doing. So the headlines
Right.
now are, oh, the condo market is slow downtown, the 416, that sort of thing. But the reality is sales in November in the 416 condo market were actually up from November 2019, up 0.8%, and prices were only down 3%, and really
Right.
it's nowhere near what people would think in the headlines right now.
Well, it's nowhere what the media is trying to make
The
us think.
story that's being portrayed, yeah, it's just not
Yeah,
correct.
yeah. The reality is there's some great condo buys, and yes, there's no question rents have come down to $300. But when you have a 1.5% mortgage rate, your mortgage has gone down $400 or $500 a month for your mortgage payments.
Yes.
So there's no question 416 condos in a good location are the hot recommended buy because Airbnb will be, now that we have vaccine coming, Airbnb is back, foreign students are back, and the downtown core, which the young people want, young being under 40, Ken, sorry to tell you,
Oh, geez.
the young people under 40 want to be downtown where the action is. So I would say this is a great time to buy a condo.
And as Alex, as always, if anyone has any questions about the market, they certainly should talk to one of the professional realtors at Remax Realtron to get the latest market information, the best advice on their purchase or sale. And
Absolutely.
yeah, and
Yeah.
and all the best to you and your family for the holiday season. Happy
Thank you.
Christmas, happy Hanukkah.
Thank you. All the best to you and yours.
Thank you.